Now, the next tool that we'll be looking at is the slit tool. Now, let me just show you what the slit tool is, but this is the slit tool that we have. So back to selection tool. Now, I want us to take a close look at this little clip. Now, if we just can you drag this through, you can see it's just a clip of a man just walking. And if I double click it, it will load into my source monitor, and you can see I've only just clipped a part of that video. Now let's say I want to change it to a different part, so let's just move it. Let's say I want to take the top view, so I want to take this clip instead of the one that I've selected. Now there are two ways where you can do this. First, you can click on this in and out selection that you made, and then you can come over here and select it. Now, as you can notice, we have four little panels kind of showing over here. So the top one shows the media that comes before our clip. The right clip shows the media that will come after our clip, and the two medias are at the lower part of the source monitor shows us the in and the out. So the first one will show you where the clip will begin, and the second one will show you where the clip will end. So that's the functions piece. So I can place it over here, release it, and then this will load directly to my monitor. So you can see the media has changed. Now let's just take it back to where it was. That was the clip. Now, let's say you don't want to go through all that. It's a long process to change a small portion of this, a small portion of the media. Now, an easy way to do this is by selecting the slit tool. Now, just from the name, all you have to do is just click and then drag to the right. Now, as I drag, you can see it will show me the different portions you have on the program monitor. So I can make the selections. Again, we have 4 little windows on our program panel that will show you a preview of the clip that comes before, and that is the waterfall clip. Then the clip that will come afterward, that is the valleys clip, and then the in and out parts of that video. So again, I just want to take the top the overview of that shot. So I'll just select that, then release. So all through I've just been clicking and dragging, but once you're done, you select your selection, you release your mouse, and then if we come, you can see you've changed it. And this is the view media that comes before the waterfall and the valleys. But as you can see, we've used the slit tool to make changes to our media.